Welcome back to the vlog. We're here with KT. Oh, she's ahead of us. She's too eager to get her coffee. So I need a question answered in the comments below. Do you prefer Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? I know it's not probably a fair question because most of you probably have more Starbucks in your lives than Dunkin' Donuts, but if you've had both, let me know. What'd you get?
What, every California live?
He's from California, so we got avocado toast. Thanks for breakfast.
Welcome.
Well, we're back at the bowling center to watch C Squad because Chris is on C Squad.
Hey, I hope you found what I
didn't look at it yet.
Oh, you're gonna like it.
Yeah, Andy
or
told me.
Actually hate it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna hate it. I already do hate it. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Anyways, yeah, we're watching C Squad. Scores are looking kind of high. There's like 3 teams. No, I'm sorry, 10 teams already 100 over after 3 games. Well, you never know. Every squad transition is a little different because we have different players. So we're just gonna hang it out, see what happens. Very important question to ask everybody in the vlog. I need your answers in the comment below. I know I'm asking a lot of you guys today, but we don't have as much bowling content.
Lots of questions.
Lots of questions. All right. I told KT that I thought that I hear this so often that women are better spare shooters than men, and I think it's because people see women leave more spares, so they just assume that they should be better at spares, right?
But women don't strike much, so they shoot more.
I think men are better spare shooters. Just by watching, like I see so many more spares. Maybe it's because I'm watching women shoot spares, and when they miss, it's just exaggerated for me. But there is a point there where women typically do shoot more spares, so they're more likely to miss more because they're shooting more. I want to know your take. Let me know in the comments. We need to know. What do you think?
Looks good.
You don't need to lie to me. So I guess there were a couple of mishaps yesterday. I did notice, I probably should have asked them, but when I threw a shot on my downswing, I hit one of the sensors on my leg, so it kind of messed everything up. But still don't know if this is confidential or not, so leave it to your imagination to figure out what it is or what it's gonna be. But we're back. We get to do it again. Squared away, nice. Like I said, I don't know if it's confidential or not, but yeah, leave it to your imagination to figure out what it is. Yeah, I think we're gonna go get some lunch.
What, Darren?
Interviews for good bowlers.
Thank you.
Nice.
Hi.
Good bowling.
Thanks.
Did you carry Chris?
No, I thought I was gonna get him the last game, but he still beat me.
He's like the best bowler on the planet right
I know, but I had a chance.
now. You did.
I did. I have to do a photo.
Yes. Chris gets to put the sensors and stuff on next. After Prather.
After Prather.
So you're gonna get into your medium little outfit?
Extra medium.
Are you ready to be a superstar?
Yes.
Okay, so what we'll do is,
Well, we came back to the room and we had lunch, and then we came back to the room. I started editing the vlog, yesterday's vlog, and 45 minutes in, Premiere quits on me. No autosave in those 45 minutes. I didn't control save in those 45 minutes, so I'm starting from scratch, and I'm not happy about it. Finished the edit. Actually didn't take that long. Probably took about half the amount of time that it took initially, only because I knew what I was doing already. So I just went through it real quick and then finished the rest of the edit. And yeah, I got a video coming to you soon on YouTube. Actually, no, it's gonna be live yesterday. So it was live yesterday, but nonetheless, it's done now. And I'm not mad about it anymore. It was a very frustrating time, but we're gonna go get some food. Again. Well, here we are, back at Pro-Am number 2. Adam Johnson. Oh my God, there's a golf cart! Woo! Anyways, we're not bowling this time. We're just hanging out. They just started. And I don't know what we're doing. Oh yeah, it's rocking that house shirt. Description, link in the description below if you'd like to rock the house just like us. I'm wearing a shirt too. Full DMC. Check it out. We'd really appreciate it. I'm gonna be babysitting these two, I guess.
Let's take a look over here. Right there, really far away. I'm the pro bowler that has 7.
Well, we can't see it, but
I have
believe it, man. You got 7.
I don't think I got less than 7 today bowling on the pattern.
You're just that good.
Do you guys see my issue?
Really good bowlers don't strike on the china.
We do have bowling pins for sale behind Lake. Awesome goodies that your favorite.
Yeah, Cowboys! Woo! Hey, man, I appreciate you guys. Y'all did great. Thank you so much.
All right, let's do another wine back.
$75 right here. Julie and Selena.
I didn't get my workout in today, so why not now?
All right, the Pro-Am's done. One of the best of the year, if I'm gonna say so. It's lots of fun hanging out with everybody. Not too often the boys and the girls are in the same place at once, so try to make the most of it while we can. But we bowl the finals tomorrow. And while everybody that missed the cut's going out and having fun, we're gonna pack it in early and get some rest. Because tomorrow we have 5 games of the cashers round to try to make a run to the top 8. Leanne and I are currently about 80 out. Mikey's 50 more than that.
30 by that math.
Dope. From AJ Chapman and the Tangs, have a good night.